Hello, my dear students, it's Ms.Abeer with you. After I explained for you using the timeline, the AM and PM idea, now we need to solve your classwork together. So open your book, page 528, model and draw. Now we have noon is 12 in the daytime, as I explained it in the previous video. The midnight is 12 at night, and the times after midnight and before noon are written with AM. Times after noon and before midnight are written with PM. And all these ideas were explained in the previous video. So please, if you didn't watch the previous video, go back and listen to part 1 in our lesson. Now, is 11 a.m. before noon or afternoon? Excellent, before noon. If a time is an AM time, it happens before noon. Now I need to ask you a question. If you go to a soccer game at 4:30 or a basketball match, would this time be AM or PM? Excellent! It's PM. Because at 4:30 AM, you are usually asleep. Now, what is the PM time? You are usually at school. Good job. It's 1 p.m. Now, let's see here. We have two examples. We have 11 a.m. in the morning, and you can see the daylight. They are playing together. You can see it in the picture. And you have 11 p.m. in the evening, and the boy is sleeping because it's 11 p.m. Now, let's start share and show part. Let's read the question together. It says, write the time, then circle AM or PM. Okay, now we have the clock here. Here, the shorthand, the hour hand, is at 7. So it's 7. Now the other one is the long hand, or the minute hand, is at number 3. Now, do you remember how we used it to count the minutes? Excellent. Do you remember the flower? Yes. You will do it like this. We will count by 5. So it's 5, 10, 15. So it's 15 minutes. Good job. Now, this boy eat breakfast. Do you eat breakfast at 7:15 p.m. or a.m.? Excellent, it's a.m. And I advise you to use the timeline that I explained it in the previous video. Now go to art class. Now, here it's 1, and the other hand is at 8. So let's count till we know how many minutes. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So it's 40 minutes. Is it AM or PM? Think about it. Is it AM? Because at 1:40 a.m. we are usually asleep at home. It's 1:40 p.m. It's 1:40 after noon. Excellent. Now, number 3 says do homework. Now, let's first see where is the hour hand and where is the minute hand. Now here it's 4 and let's see, now we have the minutes at 6, the minutes hand, and of course we know it's half, and half an hour is 30 minutes. But let's count by fives to be sure. I want you to be trained on this way of solving. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So as we said, because it's half an hour, so it's 30 minutes. Now, arrive at school. Before we forgot. Yes, is it AM or PM? This part. Is it AM or PM? Of course, doing homework is not 4:30 AM. 4:30 AM we are sleeping. We do this afternoon, after we come from school and eat our lunch. So it's BM. Excellent. Now, arrive at school. Let's see the hours hand. Okay, it's 8. What about the minutes hand? Let's do it together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So it's 8:25. Is it AM or BM? Do we do this afternoon or before noon? We do it before noon. So it's AM. Excellent. Now let's move to the next page.